So when we started this project, one of our goals was to go ahead and increase the air quality that we've got throughout the facility. And one of the ways that we were able to do that was to install a raised floor system in the new expansion area where the slots are, where the majority of our gaming is going to take place. We've got 5 units on the roof behind me. The roof was engineered to support those, which was an incredible feat in itself. And that's one of the reasons that we've got the towers and stuff around to hide it so you can't see it from the front of the house.
Air handling is really important to us here, so we put a lot of time in trying to improve the quality of our air in the casino. What we've done is we've moved from a single system that recycled air to a 5-unit system that brings in all fresh air. So your experience will be far better than what we've ever had before.
Currently we're not operating at full capacity or seeing the maximum benefit of the new system. And as we take down walls and move things around, we need to have a little time to get the adjustments set so the system works correctly and so we understand the airflow.
Those 5 units are going to give us 10 to 12 air exchanges per hour in the building. You're going to be able to sit at the slot machines and watch the smoke from the neighbor that's sitting next to you smoking going straight up instead of coming at you while you're gaming. It will increase your enjoyment here at our gaming facility. Along with the area that we've created, it's going to also be non-smoking. You'll be able to walk in the front door of the building, go play your favorite games, go to the cash cage and walk back out the front door without having to walk into an area where folks are smoking. So hopefully for you non-smokers out there, we'll be able to accomplish a lot of things as well. Just so happens that one of our techs happened to walk by here, and his name's Matt Murphy. Matt's responsible for a lot of the back of house stuff here that we deal with on a daily basis, our mechanical, HVAC, plumbing, dealing with our kitchens, and anything else that comes our way. Right now, actually, today we've got him installing locks in a 26 machine install that we've got going on so that our electronic gaming folks can stay focused on their stuff. So Matt, nice work. It's really nice having a young man like you around.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
We'll see how it goes. Okay, so what was I going to say?